What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Quality Content, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do stuff video. As you know, I am a CPR expert. I am actually trained in lifeguarding to a degree. I'm not a full lifeguard yet, but anyway, I'm here to teach you how to do CPR on yourself. So, if you come over here to the bed, over here.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Okay. So if you drowned in, and if you're drowning and you're on the pool deck for some reason, you drowned and someone pulled you up but they don't know how to do CPR, just do this. You're laying down, you're dead, you're dying. So then just put your arms up like this, and then go like that, and then hit your chest a couple times, like this. And then once you
Don't do this.
And then once you get to 30, you blow up into the air with your mouth, and then you suck the air back in your lungs, and that could get your lungs restarted again. But if it doesn't, just repeat until it works. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you do CPR on yourself if no one else knows how to do CPR around you, but you do. This is the end of this epic video. Smash the like button, comment down below, share with friends, subscribe to the Quality Club. This is your boy, Quality Content. See you next video. Goodbye.